What's up, guys? I'm at my favorite playground. That's right, the junkyard. I don't know if you guys ever had to change the side glass on the Dodge Ram. You got that bolt there, that bolt there. Let's see what it takes to get this off. All right, so you already know you gotta take this panel off. Well, you don't really take it off as long as you can get access to these two bolts right here. All right, so I took off these two bolts here, and you say, well, that has a rivet, and it's gonna be a pain in the ass. Well, that's not true. Don't let those rivets fake you out, because they're not riveted. You got a little rubber. Don't forget to take off the rubber clip, the rubber off the top over here. All right, so other than that clip for the rubber, it's actually very easy. It's very easy to take this off. It took me approximately 3 minutes. So there you have it.